How to create video for TikTok or Instagram Reels. First of all, open the app on your device and tap on Create Project. Select the clips you want to include in your video. After that, tap on Ratio from the bottom toolbar and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Next, arrange your clips on the timeline in the order you want. Trim or split the clips as needed to make the video flow smoothly. You can also adjust the speed of your clips using the speed tool if you want slow motion or time-lapse effect. Now enhance your video by adding music, sound effect, text, stickers and emojis. Apply filters, effects and transitions to make your video look professional and engaging for social media audiences. Finally, preview your project to ensure everything is synchronized perfectly, then tap Export. Now you know how to create video for TikTok or Instagram Reels in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.